Hello, kittens. Hey, Gail. On the wrong side of the fence. I'm going to restart the webcam so that the visit in a way will be at the beginning. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with kittens. Let's get to the computer. Oh, it did just restart. Never mind. No reset. Perfect timing then. I just got home, so used the bathroom and then came right in here. I've been driving for a while. Went to my sister-in-law's graduation from the University of Washington. Yeah, that's gonna make it easy for them to get out. Hello, Alice. How you doing, Mom? The kids behaving themselves? No. You doing all you can? Yeah, I know you are. Take care of some quick things. Yeah, I see that coming. Just give me a couple minutes. Should be done before then. I'm just poking my back. Somebody's pulling on my belt loop. Okay, got the camera up. This can also be taco. Or not. Let's see. Let me adjust the level of the cam. Now I got my iPad with me, it's a lot easier. That looks good. Good enough anyway. Let's see, the kittens are 8 weeks old today, 56 days. Their neuter and spay appointment is scheduled for next Tuesday, and they'll be gone from approximately 8 a.m. to 4:35 p.m. Pacific, which is GMT -7 currently. Okay, Trillian needs to make 32 ounces before Tuesday, though, so I might be in, depending on how much her gained, I'm probably feeding her extra canned food. Everybody off, stay off. Just gotta do his countdown thing. There we go. Okay, hop on, Arthur, or Trillian. Almost, looked like she was 30 some ounces. Stay. $30.3. So I have to do an edit here. Shift. Okay, that's a 1.4 ounce gain. Now weighs 859 grams. Emily. 39.5, which is 1 ounce gain. That weighs 1,120 grams. Arthur. $37.5. Stay. Yep. 37.5, which is a half ounce loss. But since he's well over 32 pounds, that's not a problem. He had a couple runs of big gains, so nothing to be worried about there. But he now weighs 1,063 grams. Little miss. Your turn. She's gonna be fun. She's all wired. $30.2. Wait a minute. Did I already? Yeah, I already weighed you. Let's. Oh, I put Arthur's in Gail's spot. 37.5. So actually, Arthur gained 2 ounces. Now weighs 1,063 grams. Yep, still weighs 1,063 grams. Okay, Gail. Hi, Gail. Okay. Your turn. 39 ounces even. So that's a 1 ounce gain for Gail. So everybody gained at least an ounce. Gail now weighs 1,106 grams. Mama's rolling around on the floor by the door again. Emily's in the box, and Gail is over. Gail's to the point where she can jump up to the top of the fence. So the only thing that's going to stop her from getting over is a taller fence. It's like Emily's going to be a side of the box scratcher. Try the original catfishing game by Friskies. Trillian is in the box again. I got you, little miss. You got the cutest tummy and gorgeous eyes. If you haven't seen it yet, I posted pictures of the kitten's eyes, close-ups, or the best I can get for like some of these guys, like Emily, and Gail. Gamily. Huh. Come here, Mom. I will be your friend. I will pet you and snuggle you. Somebody farted. Oof. It's nasty. Come here, Gail. You don't need to be playing with that. You won! Start the next game. Yep, he did too. Gail. She came out from underneath the cat canoe, and that's what users are calling this, the cat canoe, grabbed a hold of one of my shoelaces and pulled it all the way back in. And yes, that means she untied my shoe. You won, Emily. Start another game. Oh, quit trying to set the schedule and stuff. There you go. You closed it. What are you going to launch now? Gail's playing with a ball underneath there. No, she was playing with the ball underneath there. Gail, I got another ball for you. And she's having a drink. Okay, I could do a short Q&A now. I'm going to sit in a lot today on hard benches, so I'd rather sitting on a comfortable floor, but I don't have that right in here. Alice weighs around 8 pounds. That's a question from Lily B. Alice is starting to go into heat. Not quite there yet, but she's getting there. Colleen asked would I say Trillian's fur is, hold on, I'm scrolling fast, long or just fuzzy. It's, let's see, it's definitely fuzzy, but it's almost to my first knuckle as far as depth, and Ash from the Ripley's Kittens went to my first knuckle, so that's almost like Ash's fur. Is it hard on moms to be fixed when in heat? No, it's not. Not, I don't want to call it dense, but it's definitely, it's so soft that it's hard to feel it's, you know, if it is dense. Amelia asked if my cats get jealous. They could care less, really. Yeah, she's just about, see how she's doing the hind quarters? She's got her, she's basically lifting her rump up a little bit. That's going into heat. Yep. Hopefully she gets spayed before she gets really annoying. We believe this. We believe that Alice has definitely had one other litter beforehand, and it's unlikely she had another one. You know, one before that, but it's unlikely. It's possible, but unlikely. Arthur, I'll try to slow down for you CCing, which means I'll skip some questions, but Barb asked when is Alice getting spayed? Tuesday with the kittens. Jersey, Tamata, I don't know. Marlene, the email address is receptionist at perfectpals.org, or you can use cats at perfectpals.org. Okay, Mom. Yeah, I would say she's in heat, but not the annoying heat yet. You can send it to the receptionist at Perfect Pals, but it'll just get forwarded to cats at Perfect Pals. I mean, you can send it to cats, but it'll get forwarded to receptionist. She's chirping at the door. She knows there's cats out there. How fuzzy is Emily? She is very fuzzy. She's very soft. Emily has a bracelet. She put it on her. She had put it on herself. I'll put it back on her. And she took it back off. All my cats were neutered young, like very young, like 2 months. So they have no idea what's going on with her. Any vacations planned this summer? The next one I got planned is around Halloween. I was asked if I'm watching the World Cup. No. Dorian walks out there growling up a storm, because he's carrying around a Kong kicker toy in his mouth. Amelia asked if I'm surprised at some of their behavior. I don't know if surprised is the right word. Amused? Yeah. Here, Emily. He's going for the zip ties up there. Emily's underneath there. Hey, Mom. Amelia asked, or commented that my cats have great names. Did I name them? With the exception of Kugra, yes, I did. I did name. Although with Maya, her name was Maya, but a different spelling. I just changed it from M-A-Y-A to M-Y-I-A. TMK asked how Kruger's doing. He's doing good. He's doing very good. He's eating dry food again, which is great because his wet is really expensive. Joseph asked, how old are my cats? The youngest is 10, and Socks, I believe, is about to turn 14. Socks is my oldest cat, then Maya, then Coog. Actually, Socks, Maya, Mercury, Kugra, then Sabby and Tabby. The last two are litter mates. Socks was, back then I let kittens name themselves, and so right from the start he was gunning for the name Stinky, and I couldn't have my then 4-year-old kid telling everyone my kitty's Stinky, so I named him Socks. Ingrid asked, how do I keep my cats from scratching the furniture? I have vertical. Every cat has different needs for scratching. Some cats want to stretch up, so they need something tall like this. You can get post, just narrow post that you put at beside the furniture, or you can get a long scratcher for ones that have to stretch out. Making sure I didn't step in something and then notice I'm showing everybody. TMK asked why mamas not in heat get pissy when toms come around. Because they're a danger to their kittens. Tomcats are known to kill kittens to free mama up to go back into heat. My cats do indulge in catnip occasionally. I will snuggle Trillian before I leave. How's the weather here? Overcast right now. Rainy morning. Supposedly to have sun breaks in the afternoon, but since it's afternoon now, I don't see them yet. At least not to the north. Leo asked, do I personally pay for my vet visits? For the Fosters? No, they're all donated by the shelter. The shelter has their own vet and vet staff, and they do their own neuter spays and exams. For my own personal cat, my personal cats, I do pay. I'm not sure of the temp here. It's not too cold. I would say probably in the mid 60s, low to mid. Kate asked, is pet insurance good here? We have pet insurance, but if you're asking how does it compare with other places, I can't answer that question. Leo asked, if they escape, are they getting to the rest of the house? No, they're still contained in the room itself. It's just I have a lot of stuff stored on the other side. The other side of the fence is normally where the towers are and stuff like that before they move in here. And the toys that aren't in here are stored out there. Bet asked, are purebred cats healthier than the Hind 57, aka mutt cats? As a general rule, it really depends on the breeder and how diverse they are with their breeding. Cats, stray kittens from the wild, tend to be healthier than purebreds, just because there's a pretty diverse gene pool. Cats from housing situations can be, mixed because it might be a limited, like only one male, or it could be her own kids. Yep. She's going into heat fast. She's starting to do it a lot of murr. Okay, I'm gonna stop chat now. Or stop Q&A. I got you, my pretty. Are you getting tired yet? Bail. See, I forgot to put one up here. You getting tired, Emily? Come here, Emily. Emily. Bye, Emily. Now she hooked her hind feet on the top, so she's over. Yeah, like I said earlier, once they can jump to the top of the fence, nothing's going to stop them, except a higher fence. Let me do some laser pen action before I go. Okay, everyone. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.